For Inside EVs, Honda is making strides in the electric vehicle market. The company is investing heavily in battery and software research and development. A new manufacturing hub is opening in Ohio this year. Honda plans to launch the Zero Series electric vehicles in 2026. These models represent a significant shift from Honda's traditional internal combustion engines. The Zero Series includes the Saloon and SUV prototypes, featuring advanced technology and futuristic designs. They will offer screens across the dashboard and a yoke-like steering wheel. The vehicles aim for at least 300 miles of range. They will also include hands-off, eyes-off automated driving assistance, with updates provided over the air. The Zero Series Saloon is designed as an executive vehicle with spacious interiors. The SUV is expected to be the first produced in Ohio, focusing on aerodynamics and interior space. Both models will incorporate high-quality animations and touchscreen controls. Starting prices are projected around $50,000 when they become available in 2026. Honda aims to compete with software-driven electric models from China and other global markets. You are listening to Yuan News.